Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about an exciting new opportunity to make money right here on YouTube, okay? If you want to learn how I created a faceless YouTube channel and started making tens of thousands of dollars per month, I invite you to join my community down below. There's really no experience to get started. You don't need to have a big following, and of course, you don't need to show your face. And really anybody can do it. It just takes a little bit of time and effort at the beginning to get started. But don't worry, I walk you through it. So click my link below to start and learn how to create your own faceless YouTube channel. And right now you can get a free trial to join, but it's only available for the first 100 people. And we have a group chat as well that you can join. So I'll leave a link down below. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. I wanted to share this really cool article and a new video topic on why so many, or why I think you should quit driving Uber. And apparently this guy, Financial Samurai, is a really cool website, Financial Samurai. Why I'm no longer willing to drive for Uber. This just came out 2 months ago. You want to read this?
Yeah, so over a 2-year period, I gave over 500 rides driving for Uber. It was an eye-opening experience that helped me also build up my solo 401k balance. Let me share why I'm no longer willing to drive for Uber. In part 1, okay, so they basically discussed why everyone should work a minimum wage job at least twice in their lives. Once during school, and again after they made a comfortable sum of money.
I think the reasons why you should quit Uber, guys, is because there's no promotions you can never get. There's no like you can't ever like, oh, I'm gonna work hard for a year and then I'm gonna get a salary increase.
Yeah.
Like you make the same year 5 as day 1.
Yeah, like there's no progressing in your career.
Yeah. And it's expensive to drive. It's dangerous. I don't know. I just think that driving Uber, like, it's not a long-term game plan.
Yeah.
I think Uber's great if you if you're in a bind and you're like, I need to pay off this credit card, or hey, I only have $2,000 left on my car payment. I'm gonna drive Uber to try to do everything I can to get out of debt, or try to do everything I can to finance whatever it might be. Or like, let's say you went to Coachella and you put it all on a credit card and you're like, crap, I don't want to pay like all this interest on my credit card. I made a dumb decision. Now I'm gonna drive Uber for 3 weeks to pay it off. I think those are all like good reasons to drive Uber. I don't think it's a good idea to put your Coachella experience on a credit card, by the way. But like for those reasons, I think it's fine. And maybe you say, hey, I just moved to a new city and I'm looking for a job. In the meantime, I'm gonna do Uber. I think that could be fine. But like being like, hey, I'm gonna drive Uber for the next 3 years, it's just like not sustainable. It's really not.
Yeah, it's not.
And you're going to be cycling through cars and adding debt, like car debt.
Like burnt out too.
Exactly. So anyways, guys, those are all the topics today. Let me know your thoughts with this. Thanks for watching. Any final words, Izzy?
Make sure you check out our links down below for Play Octopus and Solo.
Yes, exactly. Check those out. They're both ways that you can earn extra money as a driver.
And check out TikTok Shop. Dylan has a course to teach you how to set it up.
Exactly. Yeah. Check those links out down below, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.